ॐ ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिम् द्वन्द्वातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं तस्मैवादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधि साक्षीभूतम् भावातीतं गगनसदृशं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। ॐ गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुमूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरुपदम् मंत्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपः। सद्गुरु भगवान की जय, स्वामी जी महाराज की जय। शुभम। We are taking the third stanza of chapter 8 in the answer of Arjuna. The Almighty Satchidananda Paramatma Sri Krishna is telling, Aksharam Brahma Paramam Swabhavo Adhyatmam Uchyate Bhuta Bhavo Dvavakaro Visargaha Karma Sanjita संधि विच्छेद। अक्षरं ब्रह्म परमं स्वभावः आध्यात्मम् उच्यते भूतभावोद्भवकरः विसर्गः कर्म संजितः। अक्षरम it means not decay or not destroyable. Brahma, it means omnipresence, Satchidananda existence, God. Param, it means supreme. Nothing and nobody is supreme than this. Swabhavaha, it means Atma, your inner immortal existence, your own, your really yours. Adhyatmam, it means to know the spirituality of Atma. That is process to knowing, that is Adhyatma. Uchyate, it means called or identify. Bhut bhavot vahvakara, it means even you are Brahma but feeling as Jiva. Visarga, it means give up the Jiva bhava. Karma sanjita, it means named as karma. Karma sanjita, it means the spiritual practices to know yourself. My dear Arjuna, which is not destroyable and never decay, that is called Brahma. It means the omnipresence Satchidananda Paramatma. He is the supreme existence and supreme truth of the world. And the nature and knowing of the Brahma, that is called Adhyatma. And the illusion to be a jiva and the creator of this illusion Ajnana. So the destroy of the Ajnana, destroy of the illusion is called the karma. Satchidananda Paramatma, the master of uncountable millions of galaxies and the billions of the universes, he is the only and only installation and only base of all these universes and the galaxies. He is the ocean of the mercy. He is the great lover of his seekers. He is a very nice caretaker and savior of us all. He came time to time, Avatara and the Masters Sadgurus. At that time when the Gita is come out, he came in the form of the Lord Krishna, and Lord Krishna telling to the Arjuna, giving the answers of his questions. The Arjuna's first question is what? Kim tad Brahma? What is that Brahma? So Satchidananda Paramatma is telling that Brahma is only and only presence inside of you that never can be destroyed or decay. So, it has a great meaning, it is a great directive, it is a great signal, it is great sign, it is the great advice of the Master Sadguru Krishna. You have to research inside of you, you have to invent inside of you, you have to seek inside of you what is this type of truth which is not decay or destroy after the death and before the birth. He never born with the birth and he never die in the death. So that is the last destination of the human life. That is the last aim to know and liberate. It is the awaken, it is the come out from the dreams. It is the come out from the illusion of the Maya and the mesmerism of this Maya. It is the great awareness that is called Brahma. So if a person want to liberate, a person want to permanent peace and the pleasure, a permanent want to give up all the dirt and the dust and the fears and the dilemmas and misunderstanding and all the effects, the painful effects of the Maya. He must be seek this truth existence inside and outside of his body. You cannot see outside, but you can see inside. Because there is no apparatus to feel outside, but you can feel inside. Because you can feel the love, you can feel the pain, you can feel the sorrow, you can feel the disturbance, you can feel the fear. They are comes from outside, not from inside. So why not you can feel the supreme pleasant condition of the presence of the Atma? Why can not you stay in the peace which is that comes after the Atma Jnana? So that is the answer of the first question of the Arjuna. Kim tad Brahma? The presence inside of you, which is not destroy or decay in any condition, even in death or even in birth. He is as it is. He never shrink. When you are a small child, and he is not expanding when you are a big man. He is as it is in the ant and the elephant, because he is present everywhere like the sky or space. So my dear friends, the answer of the Krishna is the answer of the supreme verdict of the spirituality. And he is pushing you in the center of the all pleasure. You are in now all pains. He want to remove your pains. He want to remove your sorrows. He want to remove your fears. He want to remove your dilemmas and doubts. So he is saying that Brahma is your real existence. And you can see in the phonetics of the Brahma, when you say the Brahma, Brahma, the phonetics says that the Brahma, it means the last word is ma, it means you and me. Ham means being, and Bra means Brahad, it means the omnipresence. So Brahma is the omnipresence existence, which is your soul, which is your life, which is your consciousness, which is your being, which is your presence. Everyone knows that he is alive. Everyone knows that he is sleeping now. Everyone knows that he is eating, and eating is enough. Everyone knows in every activities. So the Brahma is only one, the knower of this world. You think that the mind is knowing. No, mind is not knowing. If the mind is knower, then after the death, mind must be known. You think your heart is knower or being. No, your heart is not being or knower. Because the doctor operates your heart by the bypass surgery. It proves that heart and mind is not your life. Heart and mind is only instrument. The life through goes from heart and mind. As a mirror. If the mirror is okay, you can see your face. The mirror is broken. He is converted into the small pieces. You cannot see your face. So the body, organs, mind, intellect, mood, these are only instruments. These are not Brahma. So the next question of the Arjuna, Adhyatma kim? What is the Adhyatma? I think a good word for Adhyatma in English, that is the spirituality. The spirituality and the religiousness, it is different things. The spirituality is the knowing of your inner existence. This is the process, the procedure, and all the knowledge, and all the science, and all the method, and all the steps, and all the chain, that is all totally called spirituality. That is called Adhyatma. Adidhan Atma. The supremeness of the Atma. It is knowing exactly, correctly, appropriately, and as it is. This is knowing is called Adhyatma. So, when you come to the Master Sadguru and he teaches you special method of the meditation and he guide you and he keep his surveillance on your day-to-day meditation practices and he clean your mind and clean your heart, he pour his love in your heart and he wash out your all the sorrows, all the pains, all the dilemmas and give you a wonderful courage and give you a power energy transmission. It is the 1 million more than Reiki. So that is all things they are called Adhyatma. That is called Adhyatma. The third question is, Arjuna, Kim Karma Purushottama? What is the karma? Now the Krishna is answering. Bhut bhavodbhav kara. Bhut bhavodbhav karo. Or kara. In the Sanskrit grammar, the O is converted into ah. Bhut bhavodbhav kara. It means a person who is already Satchidananda Paramatma, he is the Brahma, but by the illusion and the mesmerism of the Maya, he misunderstand that he is a Jiva. He is a body structural person. He think that he is a mind, he is a ego, he is the mood. So this type of the collective illusion is called Bhuta Bhava. It is called live like a ignorance of blind person. It is the dark. So who is the Bhuta Bhavotkara? Udbhavakara, it means the origin. Origin of this ignorance, origin of this misunderstanding, origin of this wrong knowing. It is called Ajnana. Who is the origin of this all? It is Ajnana. It is unknowing, not knowing stage, blind stage, foolish stage. So Bhuta Bhavotkara, it means the collective name is Ajnana. Ajnana create the Bhuta Bhava. Ajnana is create that you are human. Ajnana is create in understanding that you are woman. Ajnana is create understanding that you are man. Ajnana is create that you are poor. Ajnana is create that you are rich. Ajnana is create that you are good or bad. Ajnana is create misunderstanding that you are black or white. Ajnana is create misunderstanding that you are enemy of the such type of person. Ajnana is create misunderstanding that you are hurt or you are pleased. You are respected or you are degraded. Everything is created by the Ajnana. Everything is created by Ajnana. So this Bhuta Bhavotkara, it means the projection in your mind that you are a Jiva. You heard the story of the lion and the sheep. A pup of lion grow in the sheep's heap. And when he was young, he think that he is a sheep. But a lion came from the forest. And he was hunting any sheep, but he see that there is a lion also. So he was very, very amazed and wondered. He caught that lion. Lion was crying, "Oh, please leave me, I am a sheep. I will die, please do not eat me." Lion say, "You are fool, you are lion, you are not sheep." So he took him in the bank of a river and show his face in the mirror of that bottle. So lion see, and lion see that line, other line. Lion see, I am the same of this line. So that white line say that you make the voice, the lines make the voice, so both are the same voice. So lion was the master, and that sheep line was the disciple. So he awoke in his lionhoodness. So my dear friends, you are the Brahma, you are the Satchidananda, you are the Paramatma, but the illusion of the Jiva Bhava, the illusion, the feeling like a Jiva, illusion feeling like a man or woman, black and white, poor and rich. The differentiation create in your mind many and millions of dilemmas and millions of misimpressions. So that is called a Maya, and you are befooling in this millions of foolishness effects. So give up all these things. The method of rememorization in your Brahma stage, awaken in Atma Jnana, knowing as your real existence you are, knowing your supremacy, knowing your greatness, you are the Satchidananda Paramatma, you are the master of the millions galaxies. You are not a small jiva, you are not a small man or woman. That is the method, the collective process, the collective instruction, all the theory and all the practicals. These are the collective names is called Adhyatma. That is the collective name of this science of spirituality is called Adhyatma. So my dear friend, the Krishna is telling the third question of Arjuna. Arjuna is asking, Kim karma purushottama? What is the karma? So Krishna is telling now that a bhuta bhava visarga, when you give up this bhuta bhava, when you kick out this bhuta bhava, when you awaken the real existence, and for this what activities you must do, that is called a karma. That is only one, the meditation of awareness, the Sakshi meditation. The meditation in the guidance of a real master and the service of the master, and the living in the instruction of the master, and 100% surrender with the master, and a love heartily with the master, and a total confidence in the master, and the day to day changing the life as master instruct you, and do the real spiritual practices. That is the karma sanjita, that is the karma. So this is the first teachings of chapter A.